here with you, and I'm here for an unboxing, and it's from Onedaysaving. I love their stuff. You've seen me use their diamond painting quite a few times already, so when they offered to do more collaboration, I just had to say yes. So let's check out the beautiful goodies that I got this time around. So I'm obsessed with bookmarks, just obsessed with them. I love them so much, and I just think it's such a great little gift, and they're easy to make, so that's why I got them. So I've got these gnomes. Aren't these adorable? Oh, they're so cute. So I figured that would be really, really fun to make. So there's that. That's the first one. And then there's here, I think I had gnomes on my mind when I told them that I wanted stuff. Because check out this. It's a light catcher. So there's a little hole here, and it's a little gnome. So you can put this at the bottom, and you've got the chain at the top to hang it. I just thought it was so sweet. So there's that. And then told you I love bookmarks. So this is another bookmark kit, but this time it's with some fish. Just thought this would be such a great gift. I have a little niece that I'm thinking would totally love making this project, and it would make a really good stocking stuffer. So there's that. And then we've got, oh yes, I fell in love with these because they were so sparkly. So it's some pendant, but they're all snowflakes. And I just thought those would be such great decoration pieces for Christmas. So for sure I will be showing you the making of these because I just can't wait. And I love all the sparkle that it is. Like, it's all white, and it's just going to be so much fun. So there's that. Trying to keep the sets together so I'm not looking for pieces later, especially since my craft space is not fully organized yet, so I don't want to be have issues. And this here is supposed to be a pen cutter. It's a ceramic cutter, and I just thought it was a great, I really wanted to try this out. So let's see. I like the idea of using a pen. Okay, so I need to see. How fun is that? And it's easier to hold because you hold it like a pen. And of course I'm scratching my table surface, which is not the best of things to do, but you want to do that obviously on why did I do that? Well, there's plenty of scratches anyway elsewhere, but still you want to do that on a craft mat on one of those you know, one of these here, because obviously those are made to be cut, the cutting boards, they're made for that. I guess it's a question of practicing and getting the pressure right, because sometimes it works great and other times it doesn't work as great. So yes, practice makes perfect, but I'm liking the agility of using this versus an X-Acto knife. So I was hoping I was going to like this, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun to use when I have little details to cut out. So that's what I got from Onedaysaving. I can't wait to know which one is your favorite. And I will be sharing with you guys the making of some of these projects. And don't forget, if you're interested, there's a discount code in the description box below, as well as the link to all the wonderful products that they've sent. So they've got tons of stuff. And somebody asked me in one of my recent videos if it was hard, like if you needed a lot of stuff to get started. Everything comes into the little packs. Like you've got the little tray, you've got the little pen, you've got everything that you need in these packs, and they're really inexpensive. So if you want to try the hobby and get started with it, it's a really fun, easy, and an inexpensive thing to do. So just in case you're interested, love you guys. Bye.